Finally got myself a scanner, so I'm going to unbox it today. I've been after one of these for a while and finally got one. I've been looking at a few different ones, but I like the sound of the Uniden 125 XLT. This I got this as a gift, but I believe they're around about 160 to 170 pound, I believe. You could do with buying an aerial. The aerials aren't great, I don't think, but hopefully I'll be able to get this onto the loop and get to listen to the aircraft. So 500 programmable channels. You have to program it apparently, which I believe isn't the easiest thing to do, but I have found a cracking link how to program them, so I'll put that in the description, and for anybody who wants to have a look. So yeah, so the only thing is, I said the air probably needs replacing. So let's have a quick look what it's got. Now, Uniden's exclusive close call feature lets you close in on even more of the action. If anyone keys up within a couple of 100 feet, you are immediately alerted and the scanner automatically tunes into the transmission. Great for finding frequencies at events that aren't listed in the program. Right, obviously I'm learning all this. I've never had a scanner before. So the back here we've got 500 channels, close call RF capture, frequency coverage 25 to 88, 108 to 174, 225 512, 806 960. Police, fire, ambulance, aircraft, ham radio and more. Alpha tagging, not sure what that is. I'm sure somebody can come on and tell me. I'll learn that. PC programming, service searches, backlight display, priority scan. Nice compact size. So there we go. That's the Uniden UBC125 XLT. So we'll just have a look inside and see what you get with it. To bear with me because I'm just doing this one-handed. So there we go. Oops, upside down. Sod law. So there you go, you got owner's manual, instruction manual, which I'll have to have a good read off. Yeah. Let's have a look at that. There you go. So then you've got wires, I presume that's to charge it. Oh, I don't know if you put batteries in this or not. Oh, there's batteries there. These are rechargeables, are they? I was told you could do with changing the batteries on these to rechargeables. Or these recharge, but you just could do with getting some more. So I think that's the lead for charging it. And there's the rechargeable batteries that come with it. Like I said, I might have to get some more. Depends how good they are. I'm not sure yet. There's your aerial. Like I said, for now I just have to use that. But I believe they're not very good. So we've got an aerial, got a charger wire, I got a plug, so I presume there's a charger in here. Oh no, it might be just be that, it might just be the PC, the wire to connect it to the PC to load, to program it maybe. And you've got a little handle. There we go. And that's for a foreign plug, that. So that's no good to me, I don't need that. There we go. And then you've got the charger, I think that's in here. Oh, that's to connect to the type of plug that you're using, to either foreign plug or UK standard plug. And then got the handset itself. Nice. Nice size, about the size of a mobile for a small mobile phone. You got the connections there for the aerial, headphones. You got a belt clip, and quite nice, compact, snazzy little scanner. Happy with that. So there you go. That's a Uniden UBC, which is Bearcat 125 XLT. So fingers crossed. Start using this in the loop. Like I said, I'm going to pop into the description the link to actually program these, and hopefully I'll get it up and running. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.